Hi, my name is Abith. I'm an artist living in Portland, Maine. You can check out my work at abith.com. I'm going to show you how to make raised flower petals using acrylic paint. So first, squeeze out whichever color you would like to use for your flower petals onto the palette, or feel free to mix up your own color. I think I'll take some red and white to mix up pink. And this is a palette knife that I'm using to mix the colors. Then choose a color for the center of your flower. And put a circle down on the page for the flower's center. Then take a dry brush. It can be really any shape you'd like, because there's a wide variety of shapes of flower petals. And just load up your brush with paint. And I'm going to start at the edge and just kind of squish that loaded paint down onto the page, and then lift up as I go towards the center of the flower. Make sure to really let the thickness of the paint show as you're putting the petals down. My name is Abith, and I just showed you how to make raised flower petals using acrylic paint.